Hello friends, how are you doing?
Welcome.
Welcome to Tackle Saturday Live Casual Chats. Myself Melvin, coming live with Bhavana from Cannington Leisuroplex. I know you guys must be wondering, where is Sharon? Sharon is not gone anywhere. She's just here. She has taken a short break and she will be coming to you next week as promised. But she has given her love and wishes to all the Tackle viewers right here. So let's not waste too much of time and let's start with Cannington Leisuroplex. So Cannington Leisuroplex is a facility that is created by the government by keeping in mind about the youth, the kids and the older people in mind, to have their health and facility and the recreational activities to be done over here. A facility like this is created by every suburb. So you will not see just this facility only for Cannington as a suburb, but this facility is available for all the suburbs. And if the suburb is small, then they join 2 or 3 suburbs together and make a facility like this. So if you see behind me is the library that is for the people over here staying in this suburb and the nearest suburb as well. On my right hand side is the swimming pool, and right behind is the gyms, kids gym and crash activity as well. Above me you will see that there is a venue that you can hire as well for events. So it's like a one-stop shop for the people who stay here, all right, and they can come along to have their health and other leisure activities catered to. Apart from that, we have got a lot of feedback and a lot of requests saying that we need to do something in different languages. So yes, we are planning to do lives in different languages, and we'll be giving a calendar to you very soon. But before that, Bhavana probably can join in and tell us something about a Canada student visa that she has to say in Hindi. So welcome Bhavana, welcome to the show.
Yeah. So कनाडा में क्या है, कनाडा में देयर आर 2 स्ट्रीम्स, 2 स्ट्रीम्स होती हैं जिनके अंदर आप अपना वीज़ा अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. एंड आई विल टॉक अबाउट द बेसिक स्ट्रीम्स, जो सबसे बेसिक स्ट्रीम है और काफ़ी ज़्यादा तेज़ उसकी प्रोसेसिंग है. सो उसमें क्या है, देयर आर बेसिकली आपको 3 रिक्वायरमेंट्स होनी चाहिए आपके पास. फर्स्ट, आपका जो बैंड स्कोर है, अगर आप 12th के स्टूडेंट हैं, दैट मीन्स ईयर 12 के स्टूडेंट हैं, तो आपके बैंड स्कोर 6 और अबव होने चाहिए. एंड इफ़ यू आर फ्रॉम बैचलर्स और मास्टर्स, तो आपकी जो बैंड स्कोर रिक्वायरमेंट है वो उस हिसाब से चेंज हो जाती है. द सेकेंड रिक्वायरमेंट इज़ आपको 1 ईयर का लिविंग एक्सपेंस एक इन्वेस्टमेंट के तौर पे, एक फिक्स डिपॉजिट की तरह गवर्नमेंट ऑफ कैनेडा के ऑफिशियल बैंक अकाउंट में, जो कि आपके नाम पे होगा, डिपॉजिट करवाने होते हैं. वो आपके ऊपर होता है, आपने उसको यूज़ करना है या आपने उसको सेव करना है वहाँ पे फ़ी वगैरह के लिए नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर की. एंड द थर्ड थिंग इज़ आपको 1 ईयर की फ़ी साथ में भेजनी होती है. तो जैसे कि बाकी कंट्रीज़ में होता है कि देयर इज़ ओनली 1 सेमेस्टर फ़ी, स्टूडेंट को सिर्फ 1 सेमेस्टर फ़ी पे करनी पड़ती है. कनाडा में आपको 1 ईयर की फ़ी पे करनी है, दैट इज़ 2 सेमेस्टर्स.
That's nice. That's good to hear, guys, that the Canada is also opening up, and very soon we will be coming with the information. So our Prime Minister Scott Morrison has given stages in which he's going to open up Australia. He's not going to open up Australia altogether, but he's going to open up in stages by opening up few states one by one with the quarantine process. When the students will come in, they will be going through a quarantine process, so that to make sure that the health of the students are looked after well. Stay tuned, stay live. We will be posting information about the message of the Scott Morrison very soon on our FB page. And with that,
And if you have any queries related to the Canada study visa, अगर आपकी प्रोफाइल में गैप है, is there any kind of consultation you want, you can directly reach me on bhavna@tackle.com.au, or you can visit our website, that is www.tackle.com.au. Stay tuned. Thank you.
thank you guys, and stay tuned.
Bye.
Bye.
What company is that with?